Hi folks, I want to talk to you about the artwork for the antenna receiver control panel. I found the folder I've been looking for a real long time, and now I'm going to get busy and build this thing, because it is the companion panel to go with the pre-selector up here, and to go with this panel. So a little bit about this is, there's other videos, but I print these halves, and then I cut them out and tape them together and get something I like this, one right here. And let's get over here to where the panel is. I get something I like, and if it looks good and is what I want, I take it to a print shop here in town, and it's the only one in this little town of Fayetteville that can do this. Is I have it encapsulated. Now, there is one I have here to illustrate this. I have it done in a matte finish. You see, this is a matte finish, and it doesn't reflect here. Well, here's one that's got tape on it, and you can see it's shiny with the tape, and that would get nasty unless it fell on the floor. I'm so excited about this. Here it is. Here's the one I made, and I decided to see if I could put it in one of those do-it-yourself sealer things. And you see, this is I don't like the reflection. I think the reflection would be bad, and it'd probably be real durable, but I don't like the reflection. So the one that's going in here is matte finish, just like the other one. And here's the one that will go in here. It gets glued down with a special tape I have. Right there, I cut it a little small this time, so I don't get this ragtag at the bottom. I don't get this, there it is. I don't get this ragtag across the bottom. But anyway, now that I found that decal, I can attach the decal, because you see the panel's already drilled. It's ready to go. All the parts are inside the box. I don't think I've drilled the back yet. No, I haven't drilled the back yet. It'll be easy. And I will be rocking and rolling on this thing, sitting basically right here with my soldering iron and my roll of solder, and I will be busy putting this thing together. But anyway, this is how I finish up the decals. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, and you'll be my new bestest friend. This is Rick in the Sand Hills saying thank you for your time.